How to use Instacart in 2024. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type Instacart. And you just have to click the first one here. Tap this one. Now, in order for you to proceed or continue, you must sign up. If you have an account already, you have to click this login. But if you don't have yet, then click sign up. And there are ways on how to sign up. You can continue with your Google, Facebook. For me, I want to continue with my account or Google account. Okay, so wait, as it is processing. Now this is what it looks like. And as you can see, you have free delivery for your first three orders here. So what you're going to do is simply go to the search bar and then kindly look for the specific item that you want to order. Or you can scroll down here if you want to know or to look for some items that you think you need. Okay, so we have here categories below. Okay, so first we have here produce, we have here health and medicine. So you can see right here sample items. We have here bakery. Okay, if you love cooking, if you love baking. Okay, and then frozen. There are also frozen products here, meat, chicken, so on. Also, you can order snacks and candy. Okay, so you can see here sample items below. And then aside from that, we have also here personal care. Also, apart from that, we have here beauty. Okay, and we have your household, beverages, meat and seafood. Okay, also we have here baby. Okay, items for baby. And we have your alcohol, pets, and breakfast. Okay, so you just have to choose whatever or what category you're looking for. Now, if you tap these three lines on the left side, you can see here some features and options. Example, we have your stores, we have credits and promos. Okay, invite friends and earn money, buy gift cards, credits, promos, gift cards, apply Instacart MasterCard. We have your health center, and you can also download this to App Store and Google Play. Okay, something like that. Now, if you are looking for a specific item, then you can go to the search icon here. For example, you're looking for chocolate milk. Okay, scroll down, tap this one, and then choose that item that you want to order here. For example, this one. Okay, so you just have to tap the item, and then you just have to review and then add to cart. Okay, and then after that, you just have also to review your address here. Okay, you can add items if you want to. And then after that, you can now proceed to check out. Okay, so you just have to simply review your address, also your payment method, your orders. Okay, and then go to checkout. Okay, and then you just have to wait as it is processing. And then what you're going to do here is, yes, simply enter information, and then you just have to wait for this item to arrive to your address. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next videos.